So I'm going to give the chicken a quick rinse, and you'll see that I have put a bowl underneath the chicken. When I cut off some of the pieces of the chicken in order to clean it up, I want to make sure that's not going into the garbage disposal. The thought of raw meat in the garbage disposal just grosses me out. So since I'm handling the raw meat, I'm going to use the top of my hand to turn on the water. I don't want to get everything nasty or spread salmonella or anything. Just give it a quick rinse. This piece you'll see is pretty much perfect. I'm not going to have to do much to that at all. The other pieces, I'm just going to have to clean them up, trim off the fat a little bit, and make them look nicer. So I know you're thinking, how are you going to stuff this chicken? I'm just going to put a little bit of stuffing in it. Most of this is actually going to be cooked separately as dressing. Use my hand, top of my hand, to cut it off. And I'm going to grab the scissors, and I'm just going to cut off the pieces of the chicken that I'm not going to use into this bowl here. So that includes the fat or any of the other gross spots you might get. I'm just going to clean it up, give it a snip. And these other pieces, I'm just going to get this little bit of fat off. And looks good. Now we'll move on to make room for the stuffing.